I'm Insomniac, and this is Caffeine and Hate by Black Rifle Coffee Company.
Who are you? Insomniac.
Dirt and spice. Fresh green beans. And a little bit of dark cocoa.
Sexual chocolate.
Kinda smells like the coffee equivalent of a death metal song. Dark, heavy, and angry. Dead leaves. And molasses. Gritty earth and really dark chocolate. Toasted walnut. Coats the palate about as thick as an actual blanket. Huge body, no bitterness. On a scale from 1 to 10 Mike Tysons, I'd give this an 8.5.